Hello, everyone. My name is Mike, and I'm in the OnlyOffice team. This is a new workshop in our Back to School series, and we simply couldn't leave Moodle out since it's a pioneering learning management system for schools and universities, and also an increasingly popular platform to use OnlyOffice in. Today, I'm going to show you on practice how to create assignments for students in Moodle and how to complete and submit them as a student, while greatly automating the process using online form functionality. Let's begin. In Moodle, teachers can create assignments for students, set up deadlines, and configure different assignment parameters, and then grade the students' submissions. With OnlyOffice integration, it's possible to request submissions using forms. This automates distribution of tasks and helps control the format to receive standardized answers. How it works: a teacher creates assignment with attached form as a task, then a plugin automatically creates an individual document on the backend for every student. They complete the form and submit the results, which the professor can open, read, and grade. It gives an opportunity to standardize the content of the assignments, so no important parts are missing within a clear structure, and creation of multiple copies is simply avoided. Assignment form securely circles back to the teacher without leaving Moodle. Let's first go through basic steps of creating assignments with forms and then see the demonstration in the interface. First, you need to add an assignment activity to the topic inside the course. This is a standard Moodle activity, not some special OnlyOffice activity. When you configure the assignment, scroll down and find the submission types. Here you need to tick OnlyOffice document to attach the form. OnlyOffice editor will appear below on the same page. Here you can create a new form or copy ready content from elsewhere to use for submissions. Once the form is ready and the rest of the assignment settings are complete, click Save to finalize and publish the assignment. Students will access their assignments inside the course once it's live. When they open the assignment, they can fill the form right on the page. It will be in a filling-only OFORM format. Students fill out the form and submit the assignment. Submissions of each student are ready for viewing and grading, just like any other assignments. Now let's have a look at how it all works on practice. In our Moodle course, first we need to create an assignment activity that will be accessible for the students in our course. It's a default activity in Moodle available from the list of activities. Let's create a sample assignment and add some basic information. Now we need to enable a submission type called OnlyOffice document instead of file submissions. Let's create a new form, for example, a student feedback questionnaire. Here, we already have prepared a layout in DOCX format. Let's copy it in the editor. First, we need to add the necessary fields to the form. As you can see, this file contains multiple choice questions, information about the course, and a block with demographic information. For standardized numerical items, such as dates, we can choose date fields to make it easier to fill. For open up answers such as comments, we can use simple text fields and apply several parameters to them. And for items which have already determined choices, we can use dropdowns and also includes those same lists in the form. This way we can make sure that no typos or mistakes bother us later. Also available are multiple choice questions. We can use checkbox fields or radio buttons for them. And for repeated information, we can also use the key parameter to group the fields. We can also decide which questions are mandatory and which are optional. When the assignment is complete, let's add it to the course. Once it is published, every student can see it under the corresponding course topic. Now let's see how assignments work with students' perspective. As a student, we find an assignment in the course and enter it. An editor opens and we can see the form. This is individual file, and our inputs in the fields won't affect the assignments or of other students or the initial form created by the teacher. Once we complete the form and set our submission, the teacher will be able to find it among other submitted assignments, open it, and grade it. As you can see, a teacher can see the completed form in a document. The content of the document remains safe, and only the fields that need to be filled contain information that we need. Marking fields as mandatory will let us ensure that every student fills out all the fields. Every process that involves a repetition of standard files should be automated for better optimization of file creation and sharing. Functionality behind creating this type of assignments in Moodle is ONLYOFFICE Forms. Essentially, this is a tool for creating and filling document templates or forms. You can build a variety of forms, both simple and sophisticated ones, individually configuring the properties of each field, and if needed, work collaboratively and share them with others. Just like other documents in ONLYOFFICE Docs, you can create a form together with your teammates in real time and with less effort. At the same time, we remember about the established standards used in working with forms. That's why we made it possible to export ONLYOFFICE Forms to PDF format. Forms process two formats. DOCXF is a form template you create, which you can edit, and you can collaborate in it. This is the format using which we created the assignment. OFORM is the ready-to-fill-in form with the locked body that you share with other users, which they can fill out. The students receive their assignments forms in this format and then fill them out to complete the assignments. ONLYOFFICE offers multiple field types for form creation. Text area for plain text, combo box for choosing a predefined value and editing it if needed, drop-down lists, checkbox for multiple choices, radio button to choose only one of the options, image, email address, phone number field with configurable number format, complex field to compose any custom fields that you need, date and time, zip code, and a credit card. Each form field provides its own settings. It's possible to adjust border and background colors as well as change highlighting colors. Move and rotate form fields to put in the right place in your document. You can insert the field in line with your text or to fix its position. And you can also mark an important field as required so that it will not be possible to miss it. You can add tips and placeholders to help the recipients figure out what information to put there. And you can also group fields to allow filling them out simultaneously. Once you enter information in one field, it will appear in other fields with the same key. Text setting allows users to work with fields in automatic mode, for example, in other programs, or for parsing the document without opening it, to simplify the form creation. For text fields, there are some additional important settings. It's possible to allow multi-line entry, specify character limit, and also add automatic fields resize to fit the text. You can also apply a combination of characters which spreads the user-entered text evenly across the width of the text field. Besides, now you can allow usage of any specific symbols and set the needed format. None for regular texts, only digits for only letters, arbitrary mask for phone numbers, and regular expression, the rule according to which mandatory characters are entered in the fields in the required order, such as email address. To learn more about how to create forms and use each field in the mechanic, you can visit our Help Center. It offers useful guidelines for the interface and step-by-step instructions. Forms are part of ONLYOFFICE Docs, a powerful web-based office that seamlessly integrates in Moodle to enable document editing and collaboration, not only in assignments, but also for any course documents. It is an open source alternative to proprietary office suites like Microsoft Office and Google Workspace that values your privacy and lets you work in any system you are using. The suite provides a wide range of features, including real-time collaboration, version control, and document co-authoring, making it a popular choice for teams that need to work together on projects remotely. It also supports a variety of file formats, including Microsoft Office formats, Open Document, and PDF. ONLYOFFICE Docs is available as a self-hosted solution or as a cloud-based service, and it can be integrated with a variety of third-party platforms, including content management systems, project management tools, and learning management systems like Moodle. The OnlyOffice Docs and Moodle integration enables document-related tasks in courses and allows educators and students to work collaboratively on different files inside the platform. OnlyOffice integration lets you use OnlyOffice Docs in two ways. First, you can attach fillable forms in Moodle assignments module, and you can also create and manage document activities in Moodle courses. Here is Puzzle, a free community version, and a business suite that offers unlimited scaling and professional technical support. To work with OnlyOffice and Moodle, you need three essential components. You can find and download them safely via QR codes on the screen. First, you need to install OnlyOffice Docs itself to connect it to your Moodle. Second, an integration app that connects OnlyOffice and Moodle and enables configuration inside your LMS. The app allows working on file attachments inside your courses. To work with Moodle assignments in OnlyOffice Forms, you will need to install a third component, an additional plugin for assignments. That you use Forms to automate assignments via assignments activity. So this is it for today's workshop. I hope this walkthrough was useful. Some of you who are new to working with forms in Moodle, and it also helped the more experienced users answer their questions. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.